Dear children, Sat Shri Akal. So far, you have learned a lot about birds and animals. And now, we will match the pictures of these birds and animals with their names. So let's do it. Simi, I went to Sam's garden with my dad yesterday. We saw a lot of animals and birds there and had a lot of fun there. Okay, Jimmy, what birds and animals did you see there? We saw parrots, crows, deer, cows. What was that white one, Jimmy? We saw many more. I forgot. What was the name of all? We had to see that all, Sam. You should take us with you. Children, today we will learn the identity of birds and animals by matching their names in the 5th chapter of our textbook. Yes, ma'am. So tell me, children, whose picture is this? This is the crow. This is parrot, children. Yes, ma'am. We saw in the garden yesterday. This is the peacock. You must know about it. What is this, children? This is a sparrow. This is the dog. It is called a cat. This is the lion. This is called a deer. Tell me, what is this? This is buffalo. It gives us milk. This is called cow. Children, this is a goat. So tell me, kids, how did you feel to know about them? Ma'am, these are all very lovely. So guys, look at their names and pictures again and learn to match. Yes, ma'am. Okay, children, now you have learned to match the pictures of birds and animals with their names and to recognize them. So, take note of your homework now. Find and paste pictures of animals and birds on the blank page of your notebook and also write their names below.